There are a few things that you don't know about your smartphone. Today we'll know about those. You've seen these navigation buttons, but do you know their names? This first one is called back button, and this one in the middle is home button, and the last one is called overview button. If you have more than one apps open in your smartphone, then you can swipe just by tapping this overview button twice. It will move to the previous app. Isn't it amazing? If I say you can block ads, adult websites from your browser, and maybe you can make it load faster than before, will you believe me? Let's see how we can do this in a second. Today I'm using Chrome browser, but you can use anything. Here you can see a website with ads that I really don't want to see, but I have to. Now move to your settings and find out the option named Private DNS. Open this private DNS settings and choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. To block ads, just type in dns.adgar.com. Save it, then clear everything you have. Then go to your browser again, and all the ads are gone. Now if you want to make your browser load faster than before, just go to the private DNS and type in 1.1.1.1.cloudflaredns.com. Now your web pages will load faster than before, but it can just load them faster. If you think your internet will be fast for everything, then it won't. I'm sorry for that thing. Blocking adult website or adult search from your smartphone is very easy now. Just go to your private DNS and type in adultfilterdns.cleanbrowsing.com. At first I was shocked because it was like no adult content exists in this world after using it. You can try it out and it will really work so well. If this video is helpful, you can like it and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Did you know if you use your one finger to pull out your notification panel down, you can see the notifications? But if you use your two fingers to pull it out, then you can see those icons and you can use them. Go to your dial option and tap on this button once. Your previous dial number will appear instantly and you can call directly with that number. I'm Naim Islam and you're watching Everyday Click.